Welcome to Knowledge Vault. Today, we've got 100 rapid-fire quiz questions to challenge your memory. No cheating, no Googling, trust your brain. I'll give you a question, a short pause to think, and then reveal the answer. Keep track of your score and see how you rank at the end. Ready? Let's start the quiz. All right, let's kick things off. What's the capital of Japan? If you said Tokyo, you nailed it. Here's a quick one. What's the square root of 64? Yep, it's 8. Next up, something for the science buffs. Which gas keeps us alive? Breathe in its oxygen. Art fans, this one's for you. Who painted the world-famous Mona Lisa? Correct, Leonardo da Vinci. Question 5. How many hours are in a day? "24. Score check. How many did you get right so far? Let's keep going. What's the boiling point of water in Celsius? "100 degrees. Next up, which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the USA? False. Here's another. H2O is commonly known as what? Water. Let's test your color knowledge. Mixing blue and yellow gives which color? Green. And question 10. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars? That's 10 questions in. Are you still on a perfect streak? Let's see how you do with this one. How many bones are in an adult human body? 206. Next question. What shape has 3 sides? A triangle. Here's a tough one. What is the hardest natural substance? Diamond. Switching to geography. The capital of France is? Paris. Question 15. What do bees collect from flowers? Nectar. If you're enjoying the quiz, hit like and subscribe to Knowledge Vault. What is the tallest mountain in the world? It's Mount Everest. Here's a biology one. Which organ pumps blood in the body? That would be the heart. Next up, the capital of India is? The answer is New Delhi. Let's go botanical. Which part of a plant makes food? That's leaves. Here's a language question. Which language has the most native speakers? It's Mandarin. Just 5 more to go. Are you ready? The closest star to Earth is? The answer is the sun. Here's a gemstone question. What is the color of an emerald? It's green. Geography time. Which country is shaped like a boot? That would be Italy. Another science one. What is the freezing point of water in Celsius? It's 0 degrees. 25th question. What do cows drink? Let's continue the quiz. Which Disney movie features Olaf the Snowman? The answer is Frozen. Next one. What is the main ingredient in guacamole? It's avocado. Here's a space question. Which planet has the most moons? The answer is Saturn. Geography time. How many continents are there on Earth? It's 7. Now a shapes question. What shape has 8 sides? That would be an octagon. That's 5 more done. How many have you got right in this round? Here we go. What does WWW stand for? The answer is World Wide Web. Capital cities next. What is the capital of the United Kingdom? It's London. Sports question. How many players are there in a football team? That would be 11. Plants and science. What gas do plants absorb? It's carbon dioxide. Here's a tricky one. What metal is liquid at room temperature? The answer is mercury. What about your score? Comment it and subscribe if you guess it right. Which vitamin do we get from sunlight? It's vitamin D. Shapes again. How many sides does a hexagon have? That's 6. Numbers now. What is the smallest prime number? It's 2. Animals. What is the tallest animal? That would be a giraffe. Quick one. How many wheels does a tricycle have? It's 3. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Knowledge Vault. Colors next. What color are school buses in the U.S.? They're yellow. Astronomy time. What is the name of our galaxy? It's the Milky Way. Point. What fruit has its seeds on the outside? That would be a strawberry. Classroom question. What do you use to write on a blackboard? It's chalk. Music lovers. What instrument has keys, pedals and strings. That would be a piano. Biology. Which human organ produces insulin? It's the pancreas. Animals again. Which animal has black and white stripes? That's a zebra. Movies. What's the name of the toy cowboy in Toy Story? It's Woody. History of inventions. Which invention is Edison famous for? The answer is the light bulb. 50th question. What is the largest island in the world? It's Greenland. What's your score out of 50? Comment below. Which ocean is the largest? The answer is Pacific Ocean. Next up, what is the currency of Japan? It's yen. Here's a holiday one. Which holiday involves a bunny and chocolate eggs? That would be Easter. Climbing high. What is the tallest mountain? It's Mount Everest. From Neverland. What is the name of the fairy in Peter Pan? The answer is Tinkerbell. How many did you nail so far? Moving on. How many fingers does a human usually have? That's 10. Time for biology. Which organ is used for thinking? It's the brain. Sweet one. What do bees produce? That would be honey. Leap year question. Which month has 29 days in a leap year? It's February. Space fact. Which planet is closest to the sun? The answer is Mercury. Still keeping a perfect score? Geography time. What is the capital of Egypt? It's Cairo. Animal kingdom. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? That's the lion. Chemistry. What is the chemical symbol for gold? It's O. Inventors. Who invented the telephone? That would be Bell. City nicknames. Which city is known as the Big Apple? The answer is New York. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Knowledge Vault so you don't miss more quizzes. Quick math. How many minutes in an hour? It's 60. Animals again. What do you call a baby dog? That's a puppy. Travel trivia. What country is known as the land of the rising sun? It's Japan. Biggest in the animal world. What's the largest mammal? That would be the blue whale. Longest river. What is the longest river in the world? It's the Nile. Hit the like button if you guess it right. Alphabet. How many letters in the English alphabet? That's 26. Numbers. What number comes after 99? It's 100. Trees. What kind of tree do acorns come from? That would be oak. Creepy crawly. How many legs does a spider have? It's 8. Answer this one. Which direction does the sun rise from? It's east. Very easy. Subscribe if you guess it right. What is the main function of a nose? The answer is breathing. Next question. Who is the author of Harry Potter? That would be J.K. Rowling. Here's a wildlife question. Which country has kangaroos? The answer is Australia. Numbers time. Which number is known as a dozen? That's 12. Festival vibes. Which festival is called the Festival of Lights? It's Diwali. How many are you getting right? Back to Earth. What is the name of our planet? The answer is Earth. Science time. Which scientist developed relativity? That would be Einstein. Ocean creatures. What animal has 8 arms? It's an octopus. Fruit fun. Which fruit is known to keep the doctor away? That's an apple. Signs and shapes. Which shape is a stop sign? The answer is octagon. Are you still with me? Comment your score. Desert and continents. Which continent is the Sahara Desert on? It's Africa. Solar system. What is the largest planet? That would be Jupiter. Book lovers. What do you call someone who writes books? They're called author. Colors. What color do you get by mixing red and white? That's pink. Famous landmarks. What country has the Eiffel Tower? The answer is false. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Knowledge Vault. Planets count. How many planets are in the solar system? That's 8. Bees and flowers. What do bees collect to make honey? It's nectar. Australia trivia. What is the capital of Australia? That would be Canberra. Shapes again. What shape has 4 equal sides? The answer is square. Elements. Which element has the chemical symbol O? It's oxygen. Only 5 more to go. Ready? Literature. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? That's Shakespeare. Nature. What is the main color of grass? It's green. Science tools. What does a thermometer measure? The answer is temperature. What is your score so far? Comment now. What is the main language in Brazil? That would be Portuguese. Last one. Answer in 2 seconds. What is 5 multiplied by 6? The answer is 30. Easy peasy. That's the end of our mega quiz. Drop your score in the comments, hit like, and subscribe to Knowledge Vault for more brain challenges. See you in the next quiz.